Hi everybody, Paul here again. One of the major components on the air conditioning system in your vehicle is called a compressor clutch. This plays a major role in providing cool air. This is what a typical air conditioner compressor looks like, which will be located by the front of the engine, by the drive belt. You'll also see two refrigerant lines attached to it, like you see here. The AC compressor clutch is located here on the outside of the pulley wheel. The clutch only turns when it's called upon to circulate refrigerant through the air conditioner system. So the clutch turns on and off as needed to deliver cool air. The clutch system is electromagnetic, which is what allows it to engage or disengage from the compressor pulley wheel. The clutch system consists of a clutch, a pulley bearing, and a clutch coil. If the air conditioner control button on your vehicle ever starts flashing like you see here, then this is a warning sign that the clutch on the compressor is not turning like it's supposed to. Another reason the clutch will not turn is due to a faulty speed sensor, also referred to as a lock sensor. This sensor will be located on the back side of the compressor or on the bottom side of the compressor. The speed sensor on this compressor is located on the bottom side here. This is what a typical speed sensor looks like. This measures the speed of the compressor and the engine. To know if the speed sensor is faulty, you'll need to check the ohms of the speed sensor, which will have two wires like you see here. By disconnecting the main electrical connection on the compressor here, I can check the ohms. You'll need to obtain the ohms and temperature specifications for your specific vehicle in a repair manual, or you may be able to find it by doing a Google search. The speed sensor on this vehicle should be 65 to 125 ohms with the air temperature at 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The actual air temperature right now is 75 degrees Fahrenheit, so the ohms will read a little higher. With the key out of the ignition, take a digital multimeter and place it on 200 ohms. Now touch the two probes from the digital multimeter to the two electrical contacts of the speed sensor. This reads 99.7 ohms, so the speed sensor is good. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. And while you guys are working on your car, I'll be working on a tan of this beautiful white sandy beach.